Want parents to fill out and sign a document without changing the original PDF design? With Jotform's PDF Editor, you can upload your existing PDF, convert it into a fillable form, and collect e-signatures digitally. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Open your form in Jotform. At the top, click PDF Editor. Once inside, you'll see your PDF layout exactly as it appears to users. On the left panel, make sure the Add Element section is open under the Basic Elements tab. Find the signature element. You can add it in two ways. Click Signature to automatically place it on the page, or drag and drop it exactly where you want it. Click on the Signature field. Resize it by dragging the corners. Move it into the correct position by dragging it across the page. Make sure it aligns perfectly with your document layout. With the signature field selected, click on the gear icon to see the custom signature. Settings panel appear on the right. In the Enter Text field, change the default signature text to something like Customer Signature, Sign Here, or Parent Signature. Under Question Alignment, select Top Aligned, label above the signature field, Clean and Classic, and Side by Side, label beside the field, great for horizontal layouts. You can also customize font family, font size, text color, and text alignment. If needed, use Apply to all elements to keep styling consistent. Once everything looks good, click Send to share the form. Or click Print or Download if you need a copy. Users can now complete and sign the document digitally on desktop, tablet, or mobile. And that's how you add and customize a signature field in Jotform's PDF Editor. Replace paperwork with secure digital signatures and streamline approvals, all within your existing workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.